Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by removing laces and insoles before cleaning to expose all surfaces. Place shoes on a protected work surface near a sink or basin. Gather a soft brush, mild detergent, white vinegar, baking soda, and a clean towel for drying. Mix 1 teaspoon detergent with 250 milliliters of warm water for fabric and mesh. Prepare a paste of 1 tablespoon baking soda with 2 tablespoons water for tougher spots. Always test any solution. Address oil stains first by sprinkling baking soda on the spot and letting it sit for 1 hour. Brush away the powder gently and then apply a dab of detergent solution if residue remains. For mud stains, allow the mud to dry fully and then brush away dry clumps with a soft brush. For salt or white deposits, wipe surfaces with a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 2 parts water. Repeat light treatments rather than aggressive scrubbing to protect the material. Rinse treated areas carefully with clean water and blot excess moisture with a towel. Avoid wringing materials or using a dryer to prevent shrinkage and glue failure. For leather or suede, use minimal water and follow with a specialized conditioner or brush when dry. Air dry shoes at room temperature away from direct heat sources for at least 24 hours to ensure complete drying. Once fully dry, replace laces and insoles and apply a light deodorizer if necessary to restore freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.